So I'm going to show you how to light a building very simply with a Dwarven system. Here we go. We insert the power, into the lamplighter, plenty of light, and now we're going to take a fiber, insert it through into the grommet in the other side of the lamplighter there. Now I need to make sure that this fiber is the right length, so I can just cut off the end of it. I can cut it as many times as I like, and I've still got plenty of light. So now I would drill a hole in my layout, insert the fiber up, put the building over the top, and there we have it, completely lit, all in 3 very simple steps. Mount the lamplighter, drill a hole, and insert the fiber into the lamplighter and into the building. It couldn't be simpler. So thanks for watching, and we hope model railroading is still fun for you, including bringing your scenery to life with fiber optic lighting. Remember the slogan, lighting without wiring. It will put a smile on your face.